guys, long time no talk. I feel like I haven't talked to you guys in a minute. I finished up at the cafe and I'm going to try to go find a car wash. I've been trying to find like a drive-through car wash here for a while and I just haven't been able to find one. I went to a Shell gas station because I googled it and it said they had a gas station, or it said they had a car wash there. So I went and I paid for very expensive gas, and they were doing construction and they didn't end up having, or their car wash just wasn't open. So I have to do that, and then I also have to go to CVS to buy some stuff. Yeah, I really like working at a cafe that's like, I don't know, it's just, I mean, this cafe was really cute, not like super large amount of people. The other cafe I went to yesterday, there's a lot of people, so it was kind of like a lot, but this one is really nice. It's like kind of in the middle of a nice, like quaint, quiet neighborhood. It's definitely less hectic than like Koreatown or like downtown. You know, parking is easy to find, so I really like this cafe. I think I'm gonna be coming to it a lot more often. Also, the matcha that I had there was delicious. I literally finished that shit in 5 minutes. It was so good. It was the dalgona matcha latte. It's the dalgona, like the little what the fuck is it called, honeycomb thing. So that was really good, and the owner seems really nice. He's like a nice little Korean man. So yeah, check out the History Coffee here in LA. Yeah, I really like the cafe. So I'll probably be coming back, and I just feel really productive, really good. So yeah, let's get on with our day.
Summer rain on the window. Watch the time float on. Cool air blows a memento as I fall.
Hello guys, I'm back home from getting my tattoo. Let me show you. I'm obsessed with it. Isn't it so pretty? Like, it's so detailed. And she also did it really fast, so that's great. Anyways, I'm going to eat, and then I think I might go on to campus to get some work done. But